Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 game lagging or freezing, stuttering, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on powered and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -d3d11 and now launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. But if the issue still continues again, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game and right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to run game from the installation folder. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, you should run the game on administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and now try to open the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to move game to SSD. So you should ensure your game is installed on SSD. If your game is not installed on SSD, then you can suffer from several other issues while playing the game. So what you have to do is just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage and here you will find all the games listed or downloaded in SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on another drive, you simply have to select it and after that click on move option and move the game to SSD. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, check your motherboard model first. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. And finally, restart your system and test the game if it's working now. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay options as shown in the image here. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. After opening the website, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on repair. Now wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next is to update Windows. So you should ensure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you have to do is just go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings. After that, here you have to turn off real-time protection. After doing this, again go to the search option. This time search for control panel and then click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check. But later on, again come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, you have to click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add the game to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Baldur's Gate 3 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Baldur's Gate 3 game, and after that finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.